Theophilus. Theophilus. Please get the gate.
Huh? You say?
I said you should get the gate.
I be getting man, we get his swag. My madam, they under my control. Anything I want, yeah, she go do. She no get choice at all. Yeah, if not money I want, she go give me double. To save Bugatti, her little secret I know. Jay, she be not for this house. You go here, no. Messi, I give any, you better no. Jay, she not me and you for this house. You go here, no. Na big man on life, I go deliver. With this your little secret where I know. To close my mouth to madam, or you must pay the Leo. Jay, oh yeah, come and see my getty man swaggy. Madam, Messi, give I swear any, but they OT, oh yeah, no be smarty, no. Jay, I be getting man, we get his swag. Jay, my madam, they under my control. Anything I want, yeah, she go do. She no get choice at all. Jay, if not money I want, she go give me double. To save Bugatti, her little secret I know. Jay, she be not for this house. You go here, no. Messi, I give any, you better no. Jay, she not me and you for this house. Na big man on life, I go deliver. With this your little secret where I know. To close my mouth to madam, or you must pay the Leo. Jay, oh yeah, go. I be getting man, we get his swag. Jay, my madam, they under my control. Anything I want, yeah, she go do. She no get choice at all. Jay, if not money I want, she go give me double. To save Bugatti, her little secret I know. Jay.
Tell him I didn't know my phone was ringing. After all, I must not hear my phone ringing all the time. Oh, nonsense. Dikeh.
No be person wey just waka comot drive na. Why should not they pick my call now? Yeah? Oh. Probably. She dey think say I won't bill am. Hey. I go still bill you if I won't bill you. That one don't be shy. They avoid the call. No, go ahead. Just they avoid them. Even not for the woo. Ha. Look what I know. Okay. You forget that now. Mark with my another line. You don't know say that time where this one enter one. I carry the SIM card put here. You know, so this one get here too. But I say no, make I so that as big boy, I buy another line put here, and I believe say she no get this line.
Theophilus, yes. Yes, I noticed that you called. I just, I saw your missed call on my phone. I just had to park to call you back right now. Theophilus, I just told you that I didn't know my phone was ringing. I had to park now to call you back. I mean, why will I avoid your calls? Okay, you know what? I am sorry. Alright? I am sorry about it. I'm sorry. I wasn't avoiding your calls. Wait a minute. What did you say? Say that again. You mean my friend has gone to meet my fiancé? Oh, Jesus. You know what? I'm coming back right now. Okay? I'm on my way back. Goodness.
That you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? That you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting, oh. Yeah, do you remember?
You know what, Michael? You don't know say I get second line.
Shit, you. No, why I go dodge your call? I don't tell you now. I didn't know my phone was ringing.
Okay, just go see him with your eye.
Wait, you mean what you said? Christabel is with
You the open eye?
me.
Now eye they open.
No. Theophilus, we be friends now. Why will I open my eyes? No, in fact, my eyes are closed.
Okay, just go inside, go see him. Go carry your eyes. See.
Did I inside?
I'm telling you. Wait, make I ask you. Make I ask you no first.
What is it?
That's what they do now. No, this sugar where God freely put here for honor. That's what they do all of
Theophilus, this is not the...
But no, carry am.
This is not the time.
Because Oga go come out to why you carry your own. Now this girl now don't
Theophilus, please.
Just go inside. Go see with that idiot already there. See, I the advice. Make you come out this your shoe. Go make it no make noise.
Make I remove them.
Come out.
this true? This is what you do when I'm not in. Yes. You know why? Because you don't deserve him. You are cheating on him with your gate man. Yes. You think I don't know? You know what? On a normal day, I could beat Chris come off of your body. Like I could give you batmos. I will hit the living daylight out of you. But you see today, I'm not just in that mood because you're just a little tiny thing that doesn't deserve my time. But now I would advise you, go into that room, pick those dirty little things you left in that room, and get out of my husband's house. Eva, do your worst. I should do my worst. Christabel, I should do. Oh, I can talk, you see. Get me. From that place. Look at this. Get out from this place. Idiot. As for you, I won't be back. I won't be back. So this is what you do. So this is it.
What?
No, this is it.
What are you talking about?
What was she doing in the room?
What? I don't. What are you on about?
But of course she didn't let herself into this room.
You didn't see me fighting her off.
Listen, I saw her right on top of you.
But I was shrugging her off before you walked in. You didn't see that.
You know what? I would deal with this later. You shouldn't have let her into this room in the first place. What? I don't have time to deal with this.
What are you on about?
Where is that fool? Where is that now?
I did not touch.
You are shameless. You should get ashamed of yourself. This is what you came to my husband's house to do. This is what you came. Leave my man! Leave my man! Leave my man! Carry this your load. Just move this thing out of this place. Do this shit. If I see you anywhere, do this shit. If I see you around here, you don't deserve my life. If I see you around here, let me not see her around this house again. See her around here. Push her out of this place. You see that? I'll kill you! Get out! This is what you came to do. That is why anything they say, you put your mouth. If they don't hear you, don't be. Stupid thing. Come inside. Come on, put your leg. Come on, put your leg for him again.
Oh, no, she. You didn't find something in the fight. Go.
Just try. Let me see you. Let me see you. Why is it? Get up. You ain't see. Come on, play. Come on, put your leg. Come on, open your leg again. Come on, open your leg. Come on, open your leg. That's what she does. Only to open leg. They don't open now. They're not open already. You cheat. You cheat.
Open the gate. Walk in there. No. Shit. You don't find it, you want to find you. Idiot. Don't find what they find you.
I'm not even listening.
You got idea. Paco. You don't know who you be. You didn't find me. It is me who is supposed to give this thing. They go one cry, give Oga. Idiot. Oga, I don't go give you again. I won't consider you.
You're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody.
Relax, Yana. Now, guy, you see for here, no be chaff. You don't want to force yourself inside. Everything that happens.
Are you high? No. Are you okay? Don't you know me again? Are you not John the gate man?
I know you. You know ourselves. Normally, I know say you be Oga baby. That one day, I know you.
So why are you blocking me from going in?
Oga say make I no open gate for anybody. You no give me permission. My work now. Do this, I do. Do that, I do. Bam.
But I have been calling him. I even texted him that I'm coming. Look at it.
Oga reply you. That one day, if Oga say make I open the gate, I go open gate make you come inside. But I never hear from Oga.
But he's inside. Go inside and tell him that his girlfriend is at the gate.
Make a speak out a big color. Okay, let me see now. I say Oga no dey inside. Oga no dey come out. I no go like give you. See what thing go happen. Just go. In the evening time you come back. And if they come, let me know say they come. If you buy small alcohol, make I take day. Make the work.
I'll come back whenever he replies.
That's so the work will be now. I want to give you for now. Make a whole cash. Dang. I beg, no this me. No my work I do. They are stingy everything.
Come in. Henry. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. I'm not doing badly.
What brought you to my place?
Anne.
Yes? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Is there a problem?
No. I don't know how to say this. Okay? And I think I'm falling in love with you. And please.
What are you doing?
I beg you. Please. Please don't say no. I beg you. You are just the right one for me.
Oh my God, Henry. What about Christabel? Your girl.
And look, Christabel is history now. Okay? I mean, I do not feel anything for her. And you're my present. Okay? You're my present and my future. Okay, please. Now I know I truly love you. Please. I guess everything happened for a reason. You know? Perhaps God took away the bad woman out of my life, so this day could come to pass. Please, I beg you, Anne, please, marry me.
See, Henry, I care about you, no doubt. But I can't do this. I'm sorry. I mean, Christabel she's more like a sister to me. She gave me shelter. She accommodated me. If I do this, I'll be a bad friend. Please. See, listen. Don't stop loving her, please. Maybe you can just call her and tell her the things that she's doing that you don't like. Make her understand the kind of woman you want in your life. I'm sure she'll have a change of heart. Please. You see why I said you have a good heart? See why I said your heart is so beautiful? I'm here talking about us. And you're busy talking about someone who doesn't even care about you. Someone who doesn't even care about our relationship. It's okay. It's fine. I will think about what you said.
Thank you. As for Christabel, I'm done. I don't want to ever walk that path again. I guess I have to take my leave now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anne.
What?
Why are you hugging my man?
You asked me to take care of him, and that's what I'm doing.
Why are you doing this to me? Henry, please.
Don't!
Please, I beg you. It will never happen again, please.
Who wrote the script? Christabel, who wrote this script you're acting right now? Because damn, that person must be a very bad writer. Why don't you go back, Christabel? Why don't you go back to your friend's house? You know, continue trying to seduce her man. You never can tell. Boom! You might just hit a jackpot. Okay, you end up breaking the relationship and serving your friend the breakfast of a century.
Henry, please, it's you I want. I am sorry.
Don't touch me. You see this thing you call us? Read my lips. It will never ever happen again.
Henry.
I don't ever want to walk this path again.
Henry, please.
Please.
I'm not saying anything. I'm sorry. Henry, please. Henry, please, I'm sorry. And please. Oh, what have I done? Anne! Henry, please, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. Henry, please.
So you actually went to Henry's house? To do what exactly? I thought you said you never loved him. And why are you crying? After all my advice hit the rock. Eva is your childhood friend. Alex proposed to her and paid her bride price just because he was giving you little tips. Fiam! Your brain twisted and you started lusting over him. I fear who no fear you. Ha! Ah, wow! I wonder the kind of heart you have. Eh? Just pray you at least you have learned something from this world. Just imagine how you lost a good man. All because of what? You're lost. For money. Money, go. See, Henry has gone. You can't get him back. He's gone for good. You're here crying. Just look at yourself. Look at what you're doing to yourself. You're sitting down crying. I was advising you. At least I remember I spoke to you countlessly. I warned you about this. You're here shedding tears.
That thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter.
So that's the house help. Her name is Madame Teresa. She came highly recommended by a friend.
Okay. Well, I think I like her.
Yeah. I hear she knows her job. So, you know. So you just help her settle in.
Okay.
All right? Or maybe he just helps her, I don't know. But, you know.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
See. They are trying for here. We know they do mess. As we there now, they be like all this different life.
Hey.
Respect yourself. They are trying. Sir, now what you tell them make you know say?
Stop it. Not like you know your job yourself. Stop hustling.
But you say make I show am around. Sir?
Out.
You're very much welcome. Thank you, madam. I'll just show you to your room and then show you the kitchen. Show me, please. Come with me. Chef! Why do I have to call this woman twice before she answers? Chef!
Yes, madam.
Jeez.
Good morning, madam.
Morning. What is that your name again?
Okay, my name is Teresa, but some people call me Mama Bobo or Mama Boy. That's what they call me in my village.
Whatever. Now listen to me and listen good. Now that my husband is traveled, I want us to talk personally.
Okay, madam, I'm listening.
You like your job, don't you?
Yes, madam.
And you know the reason you were brought here?
Yes, madam.
Which is?
To wash, sweep, and clean everywhere, get paid, and train my 4 children.
Very good.
I can also cook very well.
Wow. That sounds nice. But the most important thing I want you to know how to do is to be very sensible and mind your business. I don't like pork noses. Okay?
Yes, madam.
So now that you are here, whatever you see or hear should be buried in your heart. Anything or anyone you see in this house, whoever you see here, no matter how long the person decides to stay here or when the person wants to leave, shouldn't be any business of yours. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, madam.
Good. At least you will be able to train your children in school comfortably, meaning you will keep your job.
Yes, madam. Madam, look at me now. I'm an elderly woman. I like to mind my business. I'm not a talkative. I promise you, I'll focus on my job. Clean, wash, sweep everywhere like Oga has told me. Because I need the money to train my children.
Oh, I'm beginning to like you.
Yes, ma'am. I promise, ma'am.
Let's keep it that way, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can get out of my sight. Please make me jollof rice later and bring it to my room, okay?
Yes, madam. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Everybody will know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember?
Hi, babe.
Hey. Hi, darling. Look who we have here.
Hi, babe.
Oh,
How are you, babe? Upstairs.
Everybody will know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under.
Babe, we had an agreement right from school days when Alex was coming to ask for your hand. Yes, we agreed that he paid the bride price and even carry on with the wedding plans. But I need to remind you that it was never going to work out. Now the visa is ready, and you of all people know that we need a lot of cash. Where is the document?
I already told you that I have the document, but it's just the photocopy. The buyer is insisting on getting the original copy. I don't know what to do.
Find it. Babe, turn the whole house upside down. Check the wardrobe, check the cupboard, check the kitchen. Search every single place. It's somewhere. Look, let me tell you. That first station is going to give us more than 500 million naira. That's one property Alex has that I have always admired. You need to find this document. Just think, where does he keep his properties, his documents, his files? It's definitely somewhere in this house. Babe, think. We need this.
Okay, I will. I'll think. At least now that we have the visa, we can't let it expire.
That is the point that I'm trying to make. What if he has a secret safe somewhere?
I don't think so. He tells me everything. I'm not sure he would keep that away from me. But I'll find it. I'll find it.
Just hurry up, okay? There is no time.
Theophilus, I dey wait for you now. Now you I dey wait so.
You go wait now because you don't know what did happen. What did happen here? This is not phone, no. Shut now. I thought be that. It isn't all this nonsense. Oh, it is not wallet. I thought now. Oh, you don't even know what tell. See, I can tell you.
I just send a novel.
No be novel. Now phone see am now. Oh well. See, I can tell you. As we dey here now, they see me. If I come out this thing, this uniform, this gateman uniform, if I come out, you're going to say, I be high chief. High chief, don't be, you know.
You wear your red cap.
This is what I tell you now. If I come out this thing now, you go see the red cap. And I tell you, I don't be, forget to say, me, you there, they cha. This person, we see, we be saying they see here. I don't be another person. Go and verify. I'm obedient. And I tell you. What I say? I dey show you this thing.
This one shock me. I don't know say na phone be that.
Na phone. Make I tell you. Immediately when they carry phone come for this country, wow! I buy phone. I follow the first person we use phone for this country. This one no be say make I talk, we be say make say person they talk. No, You don't tell why they use phone. You know this phone what they call Nokia. Nokia touch. Nokia now.
That walking talking.
No be Nokia now. You get Nokia with the big when they call 3310. I don't use that before. I tell you. You know the phone what they call Triumph. That one we say if you call her, they ring it or they do Triumph.
I don't know.
I don't use that one. You don't go know that. You don't know anything. You know the one what they call Edison. Edison. You don't know that one too? I don't use Sam. You know, forget say you don't know. You know the one what they call Motorola.
Moto. Does he have tire?
I think that woman be like the doctor. I don't know. Say no first make I just put and they leave him. Because I don't say.
But Theophilus, why be say after all these things where you get, you still can't do get man?
You don't understand. That make me tell say make we just live like that. You know say it's good. Make you just disguise yourself so that you go know who be who. Like, forget all the other stuff. Now make me tell say just live like because you don't know anything. You know, bam. You just carry the where they cook food, they serve people. That's the only thing we serve. You don't serve anything. See, make I tell you. You see this house over there? You see that idiot? That girl, where they call your madam?
My madam?
The one where they call your madam.
No, my mother, they talk to like
that girl, the car that you can forget that idiot. It's an idiot.
Theophilus.
That girl no Olosho.
Hey!
Olosho for you. Who is she? She's an idiot. And we go on car. So, Teresa.
No, they call me that Teresa. My name is not Teri.
You are not Teresa. So, which can Teri in a TJB. Teresa, can't Teresa rubbish.
I don't tell you now.
See, make I tell you. You see that you will show. See, Oga never even land go Abuja. Wow. You don't carry a boyfriend enter Oga house. Wow.
Tire me.
Let make you feel sweet. I tell you now. Well, I mind my business. I know they talk anything. You know why? They pay me extra money. They think they laugh for kakudukudu. Wow, to my pocket. But when they say the car, it will say you know they try them. Say you know they give me, they pay me the money. Ha! I don't tell you Oga sis. I don't tell you Oga what in the shop day. And I tell you, I just come that day, mind my business. Because my dividend they enter. You know what you mean dividend? Dividend,
that thing. That year they teach us for secondary school.
For you don't even know anything. You know you na iti na mpataka. Iti mpataka, iti plus mpataka. No. You know that dividend na extra money what they pay you.
Oh.
Now be dividend. Yes. At least you don't learn today. I can tell you. You see Oga.
Too much sense no go.
You finish with that. You know, all this is follow for the sense. You see our Oga. For Oga mind now, he don't marry faithful woman. You don't say no. You see marry. Thank God say something happen. They never do wedding. So for now, make I keep them there. Make I demand my business. They talk. I don't want to talk about beg. What do you carry go beg?
Na jollof rice, so.
Jollof rice. Merci. Hope say you put them better meat. Plenty meat. Teresa, who teach you? Which can not say
Teri.
Which can not what be Teri? What be this now? They don't say that two. If you won't give me chicken lamb, now two you go there now. They don't tell you. You don't tell you. She know. Not be today. Now my parole be that too. Now chicken and plus juice. Juice. Kakabu juice. Because I better go inside, go bring one chicken lap and then juice. Go free, get yourself, go bring juice. They will tell me juice or not.
Me, Teri, go inside, go bring juice for you. You come on, get man.
Come on, kawaga. What kind of rubbish is that? What kind of insult with that? My friend Jenna fridge will tell me juice.
I don't hear.
Go bring me juice.
Make I go first.
No, stand now. Which kind of wahala be this now? Who teach you now? No, idiot. Who teach you now? Can you go to that? Yeah? They don't say that two they give me a juice. Yeah? But this is the one. 2 chicken laps so that juice what they want. Teresa, I need the juice now.
Yes, Teresa, what is it?
Madam, Plus is demanding for a pack of fruit juice.
Oh, that. Let him have it. Whatever he wants, give to him. You know he's a security man. He needs to be well fed so that he can keep the gates properly. Okay?
Yes.
So whatever he tells you to give to him, make sure. You don't even need to ask me. Let him have it.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll be in my room if you need anything. Yes, ma'am.
My madam, they under my control. Anything I want, yeah, she go do. She no get choice at all. Jay, if not money I want, she go give me double. To save Gadi, her little secret I know. Jay, She been for this house.
Come in.
Messia give any no. She na me and you for this house. Na big man.
I'm really famished.
Good morning, sir.
What's available for breakfast?
What do you want, sir?
I would want yam with egg sauce. What kind of protein is in the house?
We have beans. We have vegetables.
Oh, come on, don't be a dummy. Protein, I'm talking of chicken, turkey, fish, you know?
Okay. We have turkey, we have chicken, we have fish.
Okay. Let me do chicken with a little bit of fish. Okay?
Yes,
and then you get me fresh juice. Okay? A glass of fresh juice we do. Preferably watermelon. I need to replenish my energy. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Dummy.
Madam Teresa.
It's not Teresa. How many times will I tell you, Theophilus? My name is Terry.
What is Terry? Okay, your name is Terry. What is Terry?
Terry is my trademark.
What is
Terry is my swag.
You have the swag guy. You don't even know what they answer.
Google it.
Google what? Which you Google Terry?
Ask Google.
Because Terry for Google.
He did there.
Car. Because I beg, you know, the last time I tell you about phone. What about this phone? See, I don't use phone well. So I don't use Nokia Touch 3310. So I don't use Sony Ericsson. I don't use Triumph and Motorola. Make I now tell you the originality of this phone. Now, madam, now buy this phone for me.
Eh?
I tell you. This is
my madam.
I tell you.
Buy this phone for you.
She even they pay me extra 100K.
Eh? Oh. 100,000 naira.
I know they tell you, I didn't be a
for you.
I know they tell you, make it don't tell them another person. And they tell you, see, as this house there now, I know they lack anything. As I did this, I know they even behave like say I be get man.
100,000.
I tell you. That's what you see, make I tell you, as for you, they mind your business, so
of course.
You understand? They do your business, JJ, they do your work well for this house, they collect your salary, JJ. You understand?
I don't hear. I know if you do pass myself.
Now so not just do pass yourself, because if you do pass yourself, something will pass you, feed you.
What for video? Madam said I should come and ask you what you would like to have for breakfast.
Oh, Madam tell you, people ask me. Go wait to no verse make I ask you this question. Teresa, what do you make you always carry powder for neck like Obanje? Every time I saw you carry powder.
I know say one day you go ask. You dey see am abi?
I dey see am.
You dey see am now.
I dey see the powder. That make me dey ask.
As you dey see am so, na blessing you dey see. Na favor you dey see. Na open heaven you dey see. Na breakthrough you dey see.
So as they talk about the wrap am, I bless you they see. Now bless you they see. Now you dey in this house, they enter kitchen, they come out. Bless you they see favor.
Don't look down on me. I might be an angel in your midst, and you won't know.
Which angel?
Treat me
because
well.
I beg. The devil I know is better than the angel and I don't know. When I gather there because I know say you don't come out. If I leave you I go enter another topic, I mean no, you not just go there. That's my angel, you know which kind of angel, which kind of see there is angel. Biko.
Because Theophilus, what you want chop?
Could Shema not tell you? Make you ask me what I want chop. Okay, oh God, what I go chop? What the big man go chop? What the swag nation go chop? Hey, wait, make I Google what I go chop for. You know, say we will be big men. We know they chop by the house. Make I Google them. Hey, what I go chop? Google them. What I go? You know what? Go prepare me plantain chips and chicken.
It's again,
Can't be second. What is second? My friend got prepare what I send you. That's second. It's second. Can't be second.
You've lost.
That's how you never chicken and some chips in Nigeria. Also, it is like I'm get by here.
You don't do.
You don't do.
No offense.
Yeah, what plantain chips and chicken and that kind of fish. It is like I'm get man. You don't know, say, now maybe the richest man will get for this estate. They don't know. They don't say, shake it, swag, idiot. Go on, go on, bro. It is, I don't hear, it is, they don't know. I say, it is, yeah, me and you there because me and you there. I wear uniform, they tell me, say, you're dead. Walk on good, idiot. Shake it, swag, you see, best work. You know what they say this phone? You know what they say? You don't say this phone. They're going to use a buy you, do it to 100.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Teresa.
Sir.
What is it? Why did you wake me?
Sorry, sir. Madam's phone is at the sitting room, and Oga has been calling her. Please, where is she?
Oh, she stepped out to get something from me. Do not pick the call, okay? Just bring me the phone.
Yes, sir.
Do not pick the call.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come. Get me tea and bread, okay?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. Don't ever barge into the room again. What if I was naked?
I'm sorry, sir. I knocked, but there was no response. I had to come in and wake you up.
Then you keep knocking. Get out.
I'm sorry, sir.
Secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting.
So,
It's quite sunny today. I don't know why.
are we going to kill ourselves?
Who's calling you?
It's good news like that from the other side I told you about.
Hi. Oh.
Hi.
Alex's wife, right?
Yes, Alex's wife. I remember your face. We met you at the mall the other day, right? Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Again.
Of course.
You're always here.
Oh yeah, my friend owns a shop here. How is Alex?
Well, he's doing great. I just came to pick up some things with my brother and my cousin, actually.
Okay.
Hi.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
He's
to
my
meet you
closest
too.
cousin.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
All right, my regards to Alex.
Of course, he will definitely hear. And you have a nice day.
Yeah, just take care of yourself.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
See, there's a car.
I think I've met this girl before.
Yeah, she's Alexis' ex-girlfriend.
Ex?
Yes, ex. Let's go. I'll tell you where you've seen her before. It's okay. Let's go. Teresa.
Yes, madam.
What are you doing here?
Okay, madam. It's as if the gas is almost finished.
You know what? Leave that. Run down to the pharmacy along the road.
Yes.
Tell the pharmacist you want the pill, the one written on this paper. All right?
Okay, madam. Madam, the pills?
Of course, the pills.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
And please make it real quick.
called.
Alex?
Who else?
Oh. Well, I'll call him later.
So you sent that old woman to go buy you pills?
Mm-hmm. What's wrong with that?
It's funny.
Why is it funny? You think she's not old enough to know what the pills are meant for? But who cares? Moreover, I also told her about her duties in the house. She needs to know what to do and what not to do. So we are good.
Well, my major concern is how to perfect our plans so that we can leave this country for God's sake.
The only thing where your head na jackpa.
Yes, now.
That's the only thing you think of. The only thing where they enter your head na jackpa.
Yes, now. I need to spoil you, take you to the Bahamas, you know?
No, I don't want to go to the
Bahamas.
Bahamas.
Spend quality time with you.
I want to go to Bora Bora.
Bora Bora.
Monaco.
You want to go and finish the money at once?
Maldives.
You want to finish the money one night?
But of course, sir. Come to mommy. Come to mommy.
Which can wahala this one now? Which can trouble with this one now?
Theophilus, I'll send you the money. Just calm down.
You send the money to me. See. I'm not supposed to remind you all this thing now. Eh? Oga when no dey here, where they far. Don't even wire me my salary. Why? Come be you when they here. When you say me and you dey here.
Theophilus, it's okay. I'll send you the money now.
Send it now. So the way you supposed don't do since. Must I come here and remind you for all these things? The could be in trouble.
Sent.